Start with a magic circle and chain 2. Now make 12 double crochets in this circle. Once you are done, pull up this loop to close the gap. Pull it tight and make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. This one. Next round, start with chain 2. This chain 2 won't be counted as a stitch, and for this whole pattern the starting chain 2 won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 2 double crochets in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, this one. Total you should have 24 stitches. Next round, again start with chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now in the next stitch make an increase, that is 2 double crochets. Double crochet in the same stitch. Now repeat this all around. 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 increase in the next stitch, that is 2 double crochets. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. And total you should have 36 stitches. If you wish to make a larger size basket, you can keep repeating this increase rounds. I'll give the details in the description box below. Next round, chain 2. Now we'll be working only in the back loops. 1 back loop double crochet in each and every stitch. This is the back loop. This will make the turning base for the basket. Once you reach, then make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet and make the stitch in both the loops. Next round, start with chain 2. 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch. Yeah, now we'll pull up a loop through the front post. That's 1 front post double crochet made. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this all around. 1 front post double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet, double crochet, once you reach them, make a slip stitch on top of this first front post double crochet. Now keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. Start with chain 2, 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this. This is how the basket will look. Once you reach the size which you need, make a slip stitch into the first stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.